Hey guys, quick update on the Code Tech and Tutorials channel. It's going to be a short one. I just want to run by some updates because I know some of you are kind of wondering what's going on and that sort of thing. So I just kind of want to lay out a few things of what's been going on for the last week, where my thought process has been, and the plans for the future, because I think I figured it out. So basically over the last week, I've just been doing a lot of different research and exploring a lot of different directions. I got pretty heavily into
light math
physics.
physics. Got any progress on that render graph you've been working on?
Mostly just been doing a lot of research on different programming stuff.
Code.
I've just kind of recommitted to the code. So in my personal life, I gave up a few of my other hobbies that I had been attending to, so I can spend more time basically coding. So give me that spicy memory management. You know, coding takes a lot of time and a lot of commitment. It's one of those things where if you just kind of go about it haphazardly, you'll progress very slowly. Quick updates on the Patreon. I have paused the August payments, so no one's going to get charged. And I did this because I'm going to make Patreon a more special thing. And with these limited slots, I'm going to offer things like tutoring, one-on-one help, and things like that for like the big slots. But they've got to be limited because if like a ton of people sign up, I can't make that kind of commitment because I do want to be able to spend time with people that want help. Maybe they just want a tutor or something. So it's going to be more for that kind of stuff. And you may have noticed this channel now has like memberships and join and all the super chat and stuff. So we're going to be getting some special emotes and things like that. And that's going to be mainly replacing the Patreon as it used to be. So the new Patreon will probably start in about a month, or I got to figure out a schedule where I can commit to the people who sign up. I don't want it to feel like an actual job. I just want this to be something I actually want to do. So the bottom line is I have to change my business model because this one isn't working for me. Sure, I did have the issue with my eye earlier in the month, but that's pretty much over now. Other than there's a little bit of blurriness, I probably need to get new glasses. Also haven't made as many videos because the ones I'm supposed to make, I don't feel like making. All the stuff I feel like making, I haven't made because I feel bad because I'm not making the ones I should be making. And it's kind of it's becoming a vicious cycle where I feel like the way it's actually currently set up is kind of hurting me more than it's helping me. So we're going to use the membership and join stuff instead, and for you guys to get special stuff. I will do some membership videos here and there. There's already one up there of the day in the life 5K sub thing. I took it off public because I felt like it was just too personal and just too much. There's just too much personal stuff. I have a lot of regrets about that video, honestly. I even cut like half of it. I should have cut another half of it and left it down to like 10 minutes or something because, geez, I really, special members can watch it. It's fine. I just don't want the general public necessarily watching it. Look forward to more stuff and tutorials and code, and I hope this change sits with you guys. I understand it's not going to for everyone. Like, it's just how change works. Some people are going to love it, some people are going to hate it. I really hope that everybody loves it and thinks it's better. I think it's better. It's definitely better for me. I've decided that. I guess that's it. Let's look at a few memes. A little end special here. Instagram, she likes her own pictures. Haha. Reddit, you automatically upvote your own post. Stack Overflow, you can't vote for your own post. Keeping a real Stack Overflow. Alright, when you start seeing your worth, you'll stop seeing people who don't. Ooh, that's not really a coding meme, but great advice nonetheless. Yeah, see your own worth. You guys are way more valuable than you think. Time is absolute. Isaac Newton. Time is relative. Albert Einstein. Time is defined by the number of seconds that have elapsed since January, whatever. Okay, this is an old meme, isn't it? Yep, that's what it is in programming. Gotta represent it somehow. I don't know why I saved this meme. I guess I thought it was funny at the time, but now I just think it's kind of like, okay. Mustache. Position, bottom, align, center. The bottom stash. Epic. There are too many people. Too much greed. Too many problems. Definitely too many JavaScript libraries. Alright, that's the memes that I have saved. Look forward to some more videos. I'm just gonna do them as I see fit, kind of, you know, at this point. Alright, peace out, guys.